I'm showing you the progress of my Scotch Bonnet pepper plants as they grow. This is the first time when I noticed that they started growing. They would have grown earlier. I started them about the 12th of February. And they could have grown earlier, but I didn't put any heat on them and I realized that they were in a corner and they were cold. So I put them on a heat mat and they started growing. Like in about 2 days, I saw, So this is the progress as the first day when I saw them and the next day. And I have these 40-pack containers that has a grow light in the top. I'll put a link below if you want to order it. Because, when the plants need dark, seeds need dark to grow. But once they start growing, they need light or they'll get leggy. So, at this point, I still keep the lights on them for the next couple of days. And then I start with hydroponic liquid. That's what I put on my plants at this point. Hydroponic liquid. And I mix this. And I'm using Fox Farm Grow Big, as you see here, to put on the plants. You have to mix it, of course. You got to read the directions and mix it. But at this point, I don't even mix it full strength. I put like 3/4 strength because the plants are still small. And I don't want, it to overpower them or to mess them up. And at this point, I actually take off the covers at this point. See them? I take the covers off the plants, the plastic cover that comes in the pack, and just put some hydroponic liquid on them and leave them to grow. So as you can see, they're getting bigger and they've put on their second set of leaves and heading to the third set of leaves. And the leaves, each leaf that come out, they get broader and broader. If your leaves are getting smaller, something is wrong. Each leaf that come out, especially for almost all hot peppers, they should be getting bigger and bigger. And I have them on a shelving unit inside here. It has about 4 shelves. Bought it on Amazon. I'll put a link to it if you want. And these are my grow lights. Bought these lights, but I don't like these new lights. I prefer the ones I had before. They're not as bright as the other ones were. But, I got to go with it. I put them a little lower. So I'm actually going to lower them so that they can come closer to the plant. Not to burn them, but just to come closer. Yeah, and they're putting on their third set of leaves. They're putting on the third set of leaves and no more covers. I don't cover them anymore. And I turn on a fan on them so that it can blow the plant. This is very good because for the plants, if they were outside, breeze would be blowing on them. And they get to resist the fan and get stronger roots and make them better plants, make them stronger plants. So this year I bought some 10-gallon 10-gallon grow bag. I don't know where I'm going to get soil to fill all of them. But I have some 10-gallon grow bags that is coming that I plan to put them in. I want to see how that works. I think they'll make bigger plants instead of the 5-gallon bags I use now. Well, I used to use. Yeah. So if you're growing your plants inside, and all those are you bought seeds from me, or who got seeds, from my giveaway. Just want to show you this, about how your plant should be progressing. I used to use I've used other hydroponic liquid, but sometimes you gotta mix them and mix. This one here, you pour it in a container, and you put the water in, and you shake it, and that's it. I put some water and a little of the grow big in a container, and shake it, and that's it. I'm gonna put links below to the good lights that I use, the ones I had before, and the grow big and all the other stuff that I'm using, including the fan. Thanks for watching. I'll update you as they grow and as they go along. The next step is I'm gonna be putting them in cups in another few weeks. And as you know, I sell plants, and so you can. I have maybe 240 Scotch bonnet plants right now. Actually, it's more than that because as you see, some of them have two and three. because sometimes when I'm putting them in, I don't count. I just take a finger and sprinkle. So, anyway, thank you for watching. Appreciate your views. And please remember to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.